Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on exporting longitudinal section drawings to PDF in ESurveyCAD. In this guide, you will learn how to export longitudinal section drawings with templates as a PDF. Let's begin. Once the longitudinal section is generated, you can easily export it to a PDF by following these steps. Click on the print icon in the toolbar. This will open the print section window in the CAD interface. From there, select the Longitudinal Section tab. Now enter the required settings, set the horizontal scale, vertical scale, and datum value. If you are using the split LS option, provide the start chainage value and interval. Then click on LS Preview. After entering the values, click Apply. The software will generate the split longitudinal section based on your inputs. Next, select the template file and click Open. Then click Apply again to create the split LS as per the selected template. Adjust the settings to ensure the section fits within the drawing template boundary. Make sure to set proper margins so the drawing aligns correctly within the template. Once everything looks correct, click on the PDF button. In the preview window, review the settings and click Apply after making any necessary adjustments. Finally, click on Save PDF. Choose the desired location, enter the file name, and click Save. The program will generate the LS PDF and automatically open it in your default PDF viewer. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449-599709. Thank you for watching this video.